What do they look like inside? Look at the size of this thing. Good grief. It's a mansion. So we're just inside the big tent. All kinds of things here. Diabetic socks. You need diabetic socks. European motorhome tours. Oh, that's pretty nice. Some of folks would, oh, look at that nice generator box. I'd actually kind of like to have one of those. Oh, Alaska has a booth. That's something to look for. So on this side is where to go in Arizona. And on this side is visit Anchorage, Alaska. So summer, winter, you're covered. Escapees got a big booth. Leather. Of course, there's always a lot of leather here. Roadmaster, they're always back in this corner. Microfiber cloths. Just what I came to an RV show, is to buy microfiber cloths. At least flat stacked. That kind of makes sense. That's something most RVers would be glad to have. Jewelry. Not getting your glass cleaned is a pretty big deal, so that's nice. Oh, knives. Of course, I got to stop and look at knives. Pretty nice looking stuff. So this is where we're at. It's telescopic fishing pole.
Sights and all that on it as well.
Oh, here's the Digicamp and the Beet Harvest. I've talked a lot about those. I think both of these are very, very good opportunities to make a pretty good pile of money in a very short period of time. So a lot of people come here because there's so much different stuff. Sundance River RV Resorts, that makes sense. But garlic grater? Well, I mean, everyone needs a garlic grater, I guess, but Lion Energy, they have good batteries. Beautiful dog. I love beautiful dogs. Josie. He's the most interesting thing I've seen in a while. We're on the outside, and I think, generally speaking, the most interesting things are on the outside. They have some tiny houses here, and here's another one. This is one of the few places where you actually get fairly decent prices. Fairly often, this is going to be one of the cheapest places you can find. Yeah, so here is the electric bike, where you can come down and ride them. They'll let you, they got helmets. They'll put you on a bike and you can ride it up and down inside their little test area. And their best priced model is right now $699. Got Quartzsite special. I bet you could get it off the website, don't know. But man, they're cheap. They got a whole ton of them sitting here. $699 for one of these. That's incredible. Incredible. And of course, what the big tent show is really about is the RV show. This is what brings people. They can see row after row after row of, oh, Amazon is here this year. I wasn't aware of that. We missed their Amazon seasonal warehouse jobs. So they are, let me go give you this. So if you're interested in an Amazon job, there it is. Amazon.com, hourly jobs near me to apply. Okay. But this is why people are here, is they can just see a ton of different RV types. It's like mostly fifth wheels are the big thing here. You can see all the brands in one place and really get a comparison. I'm going to pop into one of these and so let me just run in here. Let's see what is a Montana is a very good name. What do they look like inside? Look at the size of this thing. Good grief. It's a mansion. Look at the size of this thing. My goodness. You can throw a huge party in here. Big island kitchen. Huge ceilings. Wow. And a huge, enormous refrigerator. I mean, this is a refrigerator you'd be glad to nor cold. My goodness, that thing is, that's probably a $5,000 to $10,000 fridge. And it's enormous. All these windows, all this space. Great, fantastic kitchen. Full oven, not full oven, but a big oven. And let's go up here. You know, a bathroom you'd be very proud to own, to use. I'd be proud to use this bathroom. And then, of course, up front, the big, huge slide out bedroom. Man. Yeah, this is a home you'd want to live in for the rest of your life without any problem. But that's why people are here. They get all the layouts here in one place. They can compare them all. They can think about the ones they want, all the different models. And that works really well. If you're wanting to spend a whole bunch of money on one of these things, being able to see them all, compare them all, get the one that you really like, this is really the way you've got to do it. Best way to do it. Right here in Quartzsite, Arizona. Amazing, amazing place. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye.